All right, everybody, it's time for our number of the day. And I have written up here on the board, I have written some slash marks. And I want you to take a second and see if you can figure out what our number of the day is. What do you see up here? Just take a second and look. So if you remember, I'll use my pointer here. If you remember, when you have a slash mark across the middle, you know that's 5. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I have more slashes over here. So we've got to add some more slashes to our 5. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our number of the day today is 9. And I'm going to show you how to write the number 9. So it has a fun little poem to it. And it's first you make a circle, then you make a line. Now you have the number 9. So first you make a circle, and then you make a line. Now you have the number 9. Okay, you want to try that again? So I'm going to do one over here. First you make a circle, then you make a line. Now you have the number 9. So there are other ways that we can make a 9 too. You can do 9 dots. You could do 9 pictures. You can write the number 9. You can do the slash marks. You can do any one of those. So what I'm going to show you next, I'm going to flip you around. And remember yesterday we made an 8 with the pipe cleaner. Today, I want you to see if you can make a 9 with your pipe cleaner. So if you remember, not going to be able to do this with my... So first you make a circle. So here's my circle. There's a circle. I need another one for my line. Then you make a line. Now I have the number 9. So there's a 9 with my pipe cleaners. So you could try that too, or you could try writing it or making dots. So next what I'm going to show you is I've got our bag here that has the line with your beads on one side, and remember I have buttons because they're bigger. And there's a line down the middle of your bag. So the first thing you want to do is you want to count out 9 beads to have in your bag. Now I wanted to show you a trick because if you look at these beads, there's a little glare there. If you look at the beads, it's kind of hard to count them when they're all jumbled up like that. So if I move the beads or my buttons to a nice line, or 2 lines or 3 lines, if I just make them neater, it's going to make them a lot easier to count. So this is going to be a lot easier to count these. I can leave that guy over there. Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I can use my bag to figure out what numbers I can put together to make 9. So if I have 9 on one side, how many do I have on this side? 0. So I know that 9 and 0 make 9. Now what if I put this one guy over here? Now what do I have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 on one side and I have 1 on the other. So now I know that 8 and 1 make 9. So how about I put one more over here? Let's see what else we can figure out. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 on this side and 1, 2 on this side. So now I know that 7 and 2 make 9. So I wonder if you can put 9 beads in your bag and see if you can figure out some different combinations that make 9. So there's some different ways that I can write this. And I'm going to use my strip here. So I can do a number bond, which is where I do my circles. So I would put a 9 here, and then I put however many, whatever two numbers that I figured out that made 9. And remember, the one we just did was 7, so I put a 7 here and a 2 here. And 7 and 2 make 9. Another way I can write that is 7 plus 2 equals 9. So you can see if you can come up with some different number bonds and some different, this is called an equation, a different equation for the different numbers that you can put together to make 9.